Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadya, Nath Samhita. Myself, Mrs. Medhavira Komurlekar, Bhandup East Upasana Center. Before sharing my experience, I am Ambadya towards Bapu and Moti Ai. In the year 2010, I am by profession a nurse, and I was working in ophthalmic operation theatre, and the patient was taken was HBS positive plus AIDS. Accidentally, I had, while disposing the articles after surgery, I had uh, 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 the sharp injury on my hand, and it started bleeding. The patient was, his CD count means he was HIV positive, but the last stage of HIV is AIDS, and that was his CD count was less than 60. The patient was HBsAg positive plus he was in stage of AIDS. So little bit I got scared. Immediately after cleaning my hand and squeezing the blood, I went to take the stat medicine for the preventive purpose. So alone only I went to the department. So the doctor said me, means you are not at all scared, you have just come within few minutes to take medicine. He has appreciated me. Then I took the medicine, and I have given the blood for testing, that is HBS positive, B positive, hepatitis B positive, and for HIV. So the result was after 2 days it was negative. Then the medicine was started for me, one tablet in the morning and one was in the evening. So the medicine, the preventive medicine for the AIDS is the medicine, the tablet only is big, so that one cannot swallow, and its side effects are many. Means you will get acidity, you will not able to eat, there will be vomiting, you will not able to do anything, that weakness will be there. Such things were there. So after taking 2 days medicine, I got all the side effects. So I went to doctor and I told him that it is not suiting me, this medicine. So he has changed the medicine, and he has prescribed me other medicine to take for only one time in a day. So that same fixed time we have to take that medicine for 1 month. I have selected to take the suitable time I took, that is in the in the evening 9 o'clock. And the medicine which I took, because 1 month medicine was there, where to keep that medicine, I kept it backside of Bapu's photo. And while taking each time, I used to pray and I used to take the medicine. I used to sit for half an hour, because immediately when you take the medicine, the symptom starts, and whole abdomen, it felt like moving. But whom to tell, because I have not talked to my husband, because he means his nature is like whatever we will tell him, that immediately he gets scared and he takes stress, and that too I have to take for 1 month. So I cannot able to share this experience to my husband. Even I have not told to my sisters also. Each and everything I used to share with my sister, but by mistakenly or while talking on phone, she may tell to my husband, then it will be mess for me, because again this I will cope up with my problem, but when if he'll take the tension, then what about that? So I have not told that thing. Myself was knowing this. So whole month I took the medicine without any problems, means with Bapu's grace. Whatever the dry, I used to have only dry fruits, because its side effect is that your blood count also it gets reduced. Then I used to take oftenly chocolates. I used to drink more than 5 liters of water. So whole month how I suffered, that Bapu and me only I knows, because I could not able to share that this my problem or whatever the experience with anyone. So I am totally ambadya towards Bapu, and he saved me from that incidence, because my both reports are till the time it is negative. It is more than 12 years of duration. So I am Ambadnya towards Bapu, and Bapu is there in my life. Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya, Jai Jagadamba, Jai Durge.